Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I'd like for you to join me making this spice rack out of reclaimed bed slats. Let's check it out. Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy, bedroom stand. Woodshop cheer. Dead burn eye protection. So I recently helped my mother-in-law move to a new place, and when we were moving stuff I found a whole bunch of this old pine lumber, and these were slats for a bed, and I can just tell they're really old. Normally I'm not a big fan of pine. These just look really nice. You know what Jennifer doesn't have? A spice rack. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make her a spice rack. I've taken careful measurements of the part of the kitchen I want to put this in, and it looks like my spice rack is going to have to be 18 inches by 12 inches. So I'm cutting the sides out right now to 18. Okay, I've got a stop block set up for 12 inches so I can make the shelves. So I need to cut some dados out so I can put the shelves on. Basically what I'm going to do to simplify things is I'm going to cut each side of the rack at a time for each shelf. So I've got a stop block here, start the cut on, move it along until I get a perfect fit, and then when I get that perfect fit, clamp on another stop block and then I can take the other side of the shelf and repeat that cut, and they'll both be perfect, and I'll do that for each of the 3 notches that I need to make. And I drew a little line just for a little decorative touch that I'm gonna cut out. I want to sand all these dead bird pieces now before I glue it up. Shut up! Okay. Let that dry and then I can move on. You have to excuse me because it's raining, but I'm going to apply a finish and I'm just going to use Danish oil. So to be able to mount this, I'm just going to use one of these like little picture frame things, and I'm just going to tack it in with some little nails. Here's the spice rack in its new home. I made a really dumb mistake. I got my dimensions correct, but I didn't account for the depth of the rack. So where I wanted to put it, which was next to the stove by a cabinet, you can't open the cabinet because it would be hitting the side of the rack. So what are you going to do? This is the next closest spot to the stove. This is a tiny kitchen, okay? If you like this project and you like this video, give it a thumbs up, dude. Also, be sure and subscribe to my channel. I have new woodworking projects every single Friday. You click the notification bell too, so you will not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.